In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer payment in Odoo Accounting Software. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to watch out for so you can remove an incorrect or duplicate payment cleanly. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting a payment is a permanent action and may affect your financial reports. Make sure you have the proper access rights and confirm with your finance policy whether deletion is allowed. In some companies, cancelling or reversing may be preferred. Start by signing in to your Odoo workspace and opening the accounting application. This is the hub for everything related to invoices, payments, bank reconciliation, and reporting. If your dashboard shows multiple apps, look for the tile labeled Accounting and open it. Give the page a moment to load. Depending on your role and company configuration, you may land on the overview or another accounting screen, and that's perfectly fine. Next, head to the Customers section. You'll find this in the top or side menu within Accounting. The Customers menu groups everything tied to your customer records, including invoices, credit notes, and, importantly for this task, payments. Opening Customers ensures you're working specifically with customer-related transactions rather than vendor or miscellaneous entries. From there, open Payments. This page lists all recorded customer payments. You can switch views, but the list view is usually best for deletion because it shows key columns like customer, date, amount, and status. Use the search bar or filters to narrow your results if you're dealing with a long list. Searching by customer name, reference, or amount can save time and help you avoid deleting the wrong record. Locate the customer payment you intend to remove and select it. If you see multiple entries for the same customer, double-check the amount, date, and any reference to confirm you've got the right one. Accuracy matters here. Once it's gone, it's gone. If your system restricts deleting posted or reconciled entries, you may see the option disabled. In that case, consult your administrator or follow your company's reversal procedure. With the correct payment selected, open the Actions menu. This menu typically appears above the list or within a drop-down on the record. Choose Delete. Odoo will prompt you to confirm. Read the confirmation carefully, then approve the deletion. The payment will be removed from the list. If it was previously matched to an invoice, that invoice may return to an unpaid state, depending on your configuration. That's it. You've successfully deleted a customer payment in Odoo. Always review your reports afterward to ensure your books reflect the intended change.